Hi there, students. To kindle, and a noun, kindling. So, to kindle. Well, I don't think this is going to work, do you? What I really need is some kindling. Some small sticks, some newspaper, some cardboard, and you make a little fire and you slowly get your fire burning. You kindle your fire. To kindle, to start a fire, gradually, slowly, yeah? You need kindling to kindle a fire. Okay, so to get something burning, yeah, it's not always the easiest thing to kindle a fire, especially if you've got quite big logs. And then from that, we use this verb to kindle figuratively, meaning to inspire, to arouse an interest. So I'm sure you've all heard of the Kindle app and being able to read books on your computer or on your telephone using Kindle. Well, this kindles an interest in reading, I guess, and I think that's probably where the name came from. So to kindle, to arouse interest, to evoke an emotion. His love of science was kindled by his father at a very early age. The passionate look she gave me kindled strong emotions inside me. We need to kindle a respect for our environment among the people of the world. The story kindled the imagination of the children, so it's like it started it burning. The speech kindled anger among the crowd. Okay, so to get a fire burning, but then figuratively to get somebody interested, to get somebody feeling something, okay, it's to stimulate. So to kindle, to rouse, to awaken, to stimulate, to trigger, to induce, to encourage, to provoke, to stir, to engender, to induce. So good teachers should kindle a thirst for learning among their students. Now, apparently there's a second meaning for to kindle as well. To give birth to, especially with rabbits or cats. I think that the collective noun for a rabbit family is a kindle of rabbits, but I think that's much more unusual. So to kindle, to set on fire, to initiate, to begin, to make something that will burn strongly. Now, next question, how formal is this verb to kindle? I would probably give it a 6.5 in formality. I don't think I would use it in an informal conversation in the pub. I might, but I think I might use the word to encourage, to stimulate, to provoke, to stir up. I think all of those are less formal. I would use this verb kindle and the noun kindling, the little sticks, in something semi-formal and something very formal. Okay, notice to kindle is a regular verb. He kindled the fire. He has kindled many fires over the years. And then the next question, what about origin? Well, apparently it comes from Old Norse, these Viking words, Scandinavia. There's an Old Norse word, kinder, meaning a candle or a torch. And that's a really good thing to start a fire, to kindle a fire. Yeah? So to kindle, to start a fire, kindling, little pieces of wood, paper, cardboard that you use to light a fire, to get it going and to make the bigger log burn. Okay? So, to kindle. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To kindle.